To add a link in any image, click on Edit Site button. Then click on Edit option in Image section. Here, click on Link option under Media section. Now, click on Web Address option and enter your link in Web Address field. You can also choose link where will be open in same tab or in a new tab. Then click on Done button. Now update the setting and preview it. It's working successfully. To add a link in any button, click on Edit option in Button section. Here, click on Link option under Action Button section. Now, click on Web Address option and enter your link in Web Address field. Then click on Done button. Now update the setting and preview it. Button link working successfully. To add a link in any text, click on Edit option in your description section. Here, select your text in Content Description section, where you want to add link. Now, click on Link option and enter your link in URL field. Then click on OK button. Now update the setting and preview it. It's working successfully.